not made a video in a while because I had to do some stuff. But, now I'm making a video on Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Even though I have not played the first Ratchet and Clank, I just want to play this game. That's all. Because I have not played any other game than Transformers, War for Cybertron on the DS for my videos. So yeah. Rebel Engine. Yeah, so we're getting into the game. Let me just bring up the sound a little bit.
Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in.
Yeah, but what about the legs?
And there is the info bot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Well, that's terrifying.
Go. Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
See, this is explaining how horror movies be like.
Hey, it's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Why you laugh like that?
Right.
What?
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! Copernicus Nestle Club will be your host. With me, Stevie Marks.
Okay. I'm gonna pass by.
We have a momentous day in store, starting with me, and ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
All started on planet Bell. Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry, ambitious. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Clear this festive barricade.
what? Someone help me! Someone help me! I can't, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. What just happened, huh?
Who could forget the Blarg invasion? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills.
I bet.
Well, but once you grab some ammo, of course.
Yeah. Let me get some more. There we go. Oh.
The Hall of Heroes is safe. Hey, I think I found the wombat. What is this supposed to be a reenactment of? Tell me on your head, wombat.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
I don't think it is, Clank. So why you even ask that? Because look at him. Would he plan that? No. Would he plan them to be in danger? Oh.
I hope this is not
Crap.
about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Nah, I'm gonna not do that. I'm gonna just hit them.
Activating magnet boots!
God, I don't know what game we play. No, feel like we're playing Spider-Man. Spider-Man?
You're smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the Vlogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or, Dr. Nefarious.
No way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
You think? Because I think he is. I don't think he's retired. Yeah. Rectobots? What? Did you just say? Wait, what? I can't hear what he said. Did he say some rectobots? Bad. Actually, no, I got a better idea. Yeah, shoot him down. Nah, shoot him! Shoot him! Brutal. But I can take that. What is he talking about? Anime, huh? Sit down. Sleepy time.
More goons incoming.
Where are they at? Where are they at? Because I'm about to put them down. Where they at? Here they are. Why did I say where they at if I literally saw them? What kind of dumb question?
Take out that dropship and end it.
Bet. If I had my upgraded weapons on my other save slot, we would have took this ship literally right down. Like, we would have been like destroyed by now. Yes! Yes!
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh, good. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Yo, pal, What? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect...
I think the fairy is supposed to be like looking like an alien, but now he's a robot. I don't know what happened to him.
Oh, what
I haven't
do you
finished
want,
this.
Nefarious?
Yes!
Idiot.
Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
About to come off. He like, help me. He looks like he's like, help me. Help me.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious.
Yes. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
No, I never will. I never will. Wait, huh? Never will and never did. And you must be tripping if you think I'm gonna do that.
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Oh, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
She doesn't sound like that. I already know. I'll just put. Yes, this will do good actually.
Boom! That's the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer with its two...
I already know what it does.
saying you would pick that one.
Why she sound like that? She's not supposed to sound like that. She's not supposed to sound like a robot, like a little robot. She's supposed to sound like something different.
Incoming.
Like a human. Why? Why you sound like that? Probably she just sounds like that the first part of the game. Oh! Oh! Now that's... How? Hey, how can it E-rate again? Jump.
Let's go. Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Now you open every dimension, man.
What just happened?
Oh, you
We
opened
may
it.
have a slight problem.
Nah, I ain't slight. It's a big problem.
Shot. There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
This is definitely gonna come in handy.
Hello. Dang. Did I use my fist or my wrench? Because it sounded like I was using my fist.
I wonder how much Nefarious
Huh.
is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Yes, because it's supposed to be. It's a gun. What do you expect? It's supposed to hurt. It's supposed to be some like...
To avoid hits like that.
I know that was a stupid idea. Stop saying dumb stuff right now. Because you know it stings. So I'm gonna beat the goofy out of you since you say those dumb stuff. Why did you... Why was man's on the ground like that? Huh?
Whoa, this is worse than I had imagined.
Oh. Dang. Well, that's sad death for them. Hey!
Shots from above.
Nah, I ain't doing that. I already dealt with them before. I'm not trying to do that. No, I'm just kidding. They're not that difficult. What is that? Is that something... Oh. Sorry. How did that used to do
Or
that?
at least a very large octopus.
Ah, I think I know where that's from. I don't know. Excuse me.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride.
Bet.
Hey,
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really
This is
awesome.
we could go.
I look good. Don't I look good?
I want to listen to the conversation.
Mad respect for hiring us, but we're gonna need like a bonus for all this weird stuff.
A bonus? I've already paid you generously.
Well,
Yeah, but like,
you don't need no bonuses. You're just gonna go to heaven anyway. Yeah, I know one bullet's enough, but at the same time, you need to get out of here, alright? Let me lay you down. Let me put you to sleep, alright? You're good. You're just gonna go to sleep, alright? You're just gonna go to sleep for a long time. That's all. Okay, it's not that bad. You're just gonna go to sleep for a long time, alright? It is bad. I lied to him. It is bad.
Next stop, Nefarious.
Imagine if the other people had a glove like this and they had to use a taxi like that. Like, what? What kind of taxi would be this? I'm done, man. Why you sound like that? Come on. Sound like your normal self. Not... Oh, I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm done with you. No, I'm just kidding. I still need weapons. Come on. 3, 2, and a 1. Fire! What y'all doing over here, man? Why can't y'all run away? Y'all know people are trying to kill y'all here. I hope you know that. Wait, no, they're coming after me. Okay. Dang, man. Woo! Actually, thank you. Wait, no, thank you.
More butts.
Level 2. Yes, sir. Health. Health.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Alright, let's go.
All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
How long were you staying right there? Like that?
Here's what I get for giving my assistant paid for coloring.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse
But-
the dimension.
Alright. Sit down. Sit down. Hey! Nefarious. Alright. Look. We go. Give me the detonator. Give me the detonator. I'm trying my best. And you better watch your mouth.
Toads are so unpleasant.
Yes, in that universe, yes. Supposed to like leave you alone. They don't really do anything. They don't.
Nefarious are weakening. Oh dear. He is
Fire away! Ah! Did you just say run for me? What? Hey, yo, bro, calm down, man. Oh, no,
Me boys. Visit the phase by these. How many times
Oh, Memoids. I remember them.
It doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
Yeah, right. I need ammo, I need ammo, I need ammo. Thank you very much. Now die.
Rather painful.
I was shooting at air. What's wrong with me? Ah! Yes, sir.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Going for dimensions. Oh, hey! Oh, no, Hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, 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 hey!
Well, it is certainly not
This is kind of alien.
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths with me, aren't you?
Hi.
What manner of trickery? Get off me, ship!
Sorry, I wasn't supposed to. Ah!
Did I do it? Oh, what? Is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
It's me? It's me!
I'll wait.
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes! Emperor!
Why does villains even do evil laughs anyway? Yep, Ratchet and Clank rift apart.
this place?
I think we're gonna leave it right here.
Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone...
Yeah, I think we're gonna leave it right here. So hope you guys like this video. I'll probably make more Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart videos. Yeah. Hope you guys like this video. See you in the next video. Okay, that didn't. What? Huh?